Ever wondered how much of a difference recycling or DIY projects can make in our lives? They are pivotal in preserving our environment, stimulating creativity, and even saving some pennies. One fun and beneficial way to recycle is by creating your own recycled material planters. To start your own recycled material planter, gather these simple materials. You'll need plastic bottles, cans, or other recyclable containers. Don't forget soil, a variety of seeds, and your basic gardening tools like a trowel and watering can. With these materials at hand, you are ready to start your DIY recycled material planter. Creating your own recycled material planter is quite straightforward. Let's begin by ensuring our recycled materials are clean. Give them a good wash to remove any dirt or residue. Now, the next step is crucial for healthy plants: drainage. Use a drill or a sharp tool to make small holes in the bottom of your container. Once that's done, we move on to filling our containers with soil. Make sure to leave some space at the top. Now comes the exciting part: planting the seeds. Place them gently into the soil, following the depth and spacing guidelines on the seed packet. Finally, water your newly planted seeds, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. And just like that, you have your own recycled material planter. Isn't it fascinating how easy and rewarding this project is? With just a few steps and materials you might have otherwise thrown away, you've crafted a unique planter. It's an endeavor that embodies the very essence of recycling, breathing new life into what was once considered waste. Not only are you reducing your environmental footprint, but you're also saving money. And let's not forget the joy of creating a cozy personal home for your plants. The sense of accomplishment when you see those first sprouts emerge from your recycled planter is simply priceless. So why not give it a shot? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY and recycling ideas. Enjoy your gardening journey with your new recycled material planters.